This 2017 Ford Transit is brought to you by Lux Auto Sales. 2017 Ford Transit Cargo 153 Dr. SWB low roof cargo van with sliding passenger side door with flex fuel. Financing options are available. Inquire within. Comes with a free 90-day powertrain warranty. We take all trade-ins. We take all credit cards. 31k miles, only one owner. Super nice van that is work ready. Has nice upgrades including a sweet aluminum roof rack and inside shelves that are fully adjustable. It drives excellent and has no known issues. Economical 6-cylinder engine that gets 20 mpg. Comes with all the comforts and conveniences such as power windows and doors, AC, leather interior, backup camera and much more. This is fully loaded, one of the highest package available. Van is in excellent condition. Regular maintenance has been done to the vehicle. This comes with anti-theft system with fob. The engine functions great and has no issues. The transmission shifts very smoothly. The body is in great shape and condition. If the paint is shiny, there is no visible damage on the car. Visit us at SeattleLuxAuto.com.